Okay, so here we are. We're working on the flutterby here. Now I have a tendency to grab things a little hard. Uh, so I have the weak point on this was this little solder joint right here, and I seem to have weakened it a little bit. It looks like it was glued. So what I'm doing is I have this. What you see there is the little. That's the back of that brown capacitor right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find something in my box of stuff. We'll see what we can come up with. Hey, okay, I have finished a face. I'm going to show you where I'm at here. So I have this little dude here. His face, this is the back side of, that's the back side of this face. Okay, so next thing I'm going to work on is some sort of a more stable attachment here. Seems a little floppy. I could probably make him more stable with a spring and a stiff wire if somebody wants to. He's easy to manipulate here. He is both a pivot if one were to so manipulate. His head could be turned in either direction as it's on, just wrapped with copper wire there. His jaw here has a little mobility. I don't know if I wanted to leave the Jay Leno chin here. Probably will. There was something else I was looking at. Oh, just probably a bow tie, maybe right here. Or maybe a regular tie to hang down, maybe. Shows a little extra effort, and there will probably be some sort of a necktie or something here. Now the mobility of this here has this dynamic here. This is still kind of freewheeling, hanging out. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. It's a good thing I saw it. So I can wrap that up and around his head, and we'll figure out what to do with that thing, whether to take it or leave it, or I don't know, just something I threw together. I might take it apart and use that thing on. I've got a couple more of those. I can probably put those on top of these. That would probably be more cool than it is right there right now, because I put that up there quite a while ago. That was one of the first. That was when I made this little dude here. Little beady-eyed, drug-eyed. Okay, so that's where we're at. I don't know what I'm going to do with this dynamic here yet.